Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Happy New Year to every one of you guys. Happy New Year for being with us. Happy New Year anywhere you are. We pray that this year gonna be a success for us and will bring more working strategies for you guys that will make you make money to the market. Okay guys, this is HumbleFx signing in. If you are new to this channel, please as usual subscribe on the channel and click on the bell to be notified once a new video is uploaded to the channel. Okay guys, and if you're wanting my special indicator, you can check on the video in the description to watch how it works, and you get to me if you're interested. With a low price this new year, I'm just giving it out for the new year and Christmas discount. Very affordable, very affordable. You can use it to trade volatility index, bull and crash, okay, and you make your profit. I've already gotten some testimonies about the indicator, so you can be a partaker and a testifier as well. So guys, check on the video description to check on the special indicator, how it works, and if you're interested, you send me a message on Telegram. Okay, all right. Now, like I said earlier, please guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell, hit on the like button, and comment on the video. Okay, comment on this video. What is your take? What do you ask questions? How you feel about the video? If any of our video has helped you, comment on the comment section. Okay, comment on the comment section, and we'll be glad to attend to you. Okay, so let us get to business. Now, this is it. I told you guys in the last video that we are going to be uploading a strategy called the PDK strategy. This is a strategy that is built by one of us in the main group. So if you are not in the main group, in our group, you can check on the video description to get the link to the main group. You join it and you meet many other traders who are also trading and who are more higher than you. You learn from them, take their signals, and enjoy your day. Okay, also we provide VIP signals. Those in the VIP are testifying hugely. So if you want to join our VIP, it is very affordable, very cheap. Send me a message on that regard, and you don't know how we run it. Okay, this is PDK strategy. That is one of our admin in the group created the strategy, and I'm now giving it to you guys because I see it work well. I had to do a little changes in it to make it work perfectly for all of us. Okay, so this is how it works, the PDK strategies. All right, now the zoom level is the zoom level. For you to get the zoom level so well, you have to zoom it out, zoom in to the highest. Okay, guys, sorry for that, please. It is a system. My phone had an issue, that is why it's had to do that. So I'm sorry for that distraction, guys. Okay, like I said earlier, it is the lowest zoom level. For you to see clearly, you zoom it out once, like this. So this is the zoom level, guys. All right, now how does it work? You can see that in this place we'll have a downtrend, we'll have uptrend, we'll have weight, and we'll have weight. Okay, that is the settings, just like that. Okay, now let us not waste much of your time in this video. Okay, now how does it work? If you zoom it like this, you will see a downtrend. So when this line, green line, at this point move upward to the level of 90, you allow it to start curving backward to be a downtrend. When it curved down backward, curve down like this, when it turns to a curve, and look at a dot. This is a dot here. Look at the dot at this point. It is called the parabolic star. When the first dot appear and the second dot appear as well, you enter your trade. And when you exit your market, you exit when the parabolic star is crossing over the green line. The green line is alligator. When the parabolic star, the dotted line, is crossing over the alligator, you exit the market. It's for scalping, guys. You don't long trade. All right. Okay. Now again, a spike happened, and because we are already in the era of downtrend. We are already in the downtrend region. A spike happened here. We'll have to wait for the parabolic star to come up. Now look at the parabolic star. It appeared here, and you enter to take a profit when it's crossed to the green line. You exit. Also, a spike happened again, and you have to wait again for the line to appear. Now it's appear again. You enter it again and exit when it's across the green line. Okay, this is how you'll be doing it. Look at this point. At this point, it has come down to the uptrend region. Look at it here. It has come down to the uptrend region. At this point, you don't need to trade. You don't want to trade at this point because it is at the uptrend region. Look at from the level of 10 and upward is an uptrend region. So you don't want to trade at this region because it's uptrend, except it goes to downtrend. Look at it here. At this point, the parabolic star has appeared at this region and at this region, so we have to enter our trade. So this is the first, that is the original strategy of the PDK. Okay, now, and please, before we continue, guys, if this our admin, if you want to get his other strategies, his awesome strategies, PDK, you can follow him on Instagram so you get more of his strategies. If you want to do that, check on this video description. You will see the link to his Instagram page. Click on the link and follow him on the Instagram. Okay, he will be dropping some profitable strategy and encouragement talks in this Instagram, so you will benefit a lot from him. So guys, follow him on Instagram. The link is below this video. Okay, as we do that, let us continue. Okay, now as I said earlier, that is the original strategy. When the parabolic star appears and the region is at the oversold and all that, so downtrend and all that. Okay, now what is another thing that makes you trade faster? Look at, I have a red line in the chart, a red line. Now the red line is the moving average. So the first thing I look out for is when the red line crosses the green line. You see it here? When the red line crosses the green line, I will enter my trade. Whether the parabolic star appeared or not, I will enter my trade. But when the parabolic star appears, it gives me more strength to stay in the market for the TP to happen. But if I enter using only this red line and the green line, at this over spot red level here, I will stay longer. Okay, but if at this uptrend, look at this. If I'm at this uptrend region, this look at here, we don't want to trade at this point. But if I want to trade in this point, I will use the other method, which means the red crossing the green. And when I do that, I take only 2 candles or 3 candles and I exit. Look at it here. The red line crossed the green at this point. I take my 2 candles, even though this is showing uptrend, going uptrend. I take my 2 candles and I exit, and that entry come here. The red crossed the green line. I enter my 2 candles and I exit. Okay, and that entry is here. The red also crossed the green here. I take for 2 candles and I exit, and that entry is here. The red crossed the green. I enter and I exit. So this is how I do it in the uptrend region, because I don't want to waste time in the market. So I want to look at the entry first. The entry 1, the crossing is here. The crossing is here. crossing is here, and all of this thing give me at least 2 to 3 candles. So that's how I use it. I use it. The stuff work best on the 1000 index. Look at it, work best on the 1000 index. 1000 index, according to the owner of the strategy, it is for just 1000 and cash 1000. Note that, for 1000 and cash 1000. But I use it also, but me personally, I use it to trade 500 and cash 500 using my other strategies of the red crossing the green. Look at it here. Even though here is a downtrend, but it's ranging at this point. Look at the crosses here. The crosses, I use it mostly when the SAR has not appeared earlier. I use it. Look at the cross here. I take my 2 to 3 candles. The crossing, I take my 2 before the SAR appear. I will take candles here, candles here, candles here, candles here. So guys, this will give you even more entry. This is actually a great strategy. The PDK strategy, guys, is a killer one. So we make wise. Look at another cross. Even though it's an uptrend, we entered the trade here and we took a trade. We entered here, we took a trade. We took trade here. Guys, with this strategy, your loss is very small. So guys, enjoy this strategy while it lasts. Okay. Now let me show you guys the settings. So I will continue the settings of the strategy. So we'll continue. Now, first of all, let's check the settings of the strategy. Okay, now this is it. On the main chart, we'll have just the alligator. Alligator is this. Just period is 13. Just shift is 8. Teeth period is 8. Teeth shift is 5. Leaves period is 5. Leaves shift is 3. Method is smoothed. Apply to median price HL2. Okay, now the styles, every other thing should be your background color. Every other thing here should be your background color except the leaf style, which I took as green. You can choose any color of your choice. Okay, and you click on done for alligator. Now we have parabolic star. Parabolic star should be this setting. This step is 0.02, maximum is 0.2 pixel. I use green. You can choose any color of your choice. You click on done. Okay, without the moving average, this is moving average period 4, shift 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to close. The pixel, I choose the red and the 4 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice as well. Okay, now the other indicator we are going to go is for stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator, this is the settings of the settings. The K period is 5, the D period is 3, slowing is 3, price feed is low high, linear weighted is the method. The pixel should all be your background color. Then the levels here, the levels are this. Okay, I can change all of this. Let me change this thing to something else so that you get to understand what that actually stand for. This is level 10. It should be oversold. Okay, so that is where we wait for it to curve down. Here should be overbought. Okay, so this is how I do it, and I'll click on done. Now we'll have that in place. Okay, so when you do that, you have that in place. The next thing is in that place is another alligator, just the ones you added in the main chart. You add it again at this point. Look at it here. The same thing you added in the main chart, you add it again. You click on done, and this is the settings. The other ones here, I'm testing it for something else, so don't bother about that one. You will see it when the time comes. Now at this point, we already have this setup. We have this setup already. So in case a spike happen against you, guys, I got that question always. In case a spike happen against you, you check on a high time frame. Look at these points here. A spike happened here. Maybe you are in the trade and a spike. Let me check 1 minute time frame. Maybe you are in a trade, you enter the trade, you were too greedy, and the spike happened on you here. What you do is you check on the high time frame, 5 minute time frame, and here you will see that this market already at the overbought, curving downward to downtrend. Now on a downtrend region, so you have to hold your market to take profit. Okay, hold it down to your take profit or to entry point and then exit. Okay,
So this is, it also work on a high time frame, guys. Look at it, 5 minute time frame. At the overbought level, it came down. All right, at the overbought level, it's coming down already. So you can even make it with the higher time frame. You can make with the but I use mostly 1 minute time frame for my scalping. Okay, so this stuff work even on the volatility index. Okay, but it is working mostly. Now look at this. Let us take this trade. The red has crossed the green. Yeah, the red has crossed the green, even though it's a late entry, but let us take it so that you understand where we are going. Okay, we don't joke here, guys. Okay, now take this trade. Take this trade. Okay, this is how we do it. That's how we do it, guys. The crossing is here. The red is crossing the green, even though we should have entered earlier enough before now, but let us take it. Okay, that is it. Now let me check some other pairs. Let us check Crash 500 to see what's up with it. Okay, here also it has crossed early enough, so we should not enter this trade. Okay, even though the market is at oversold level, is a good entry, but already it has crossed before now, so we should enter it earlier than now. But we can still make this market, we can still take this profit, take 2 candles here, and that's it, guys. Let us enter it again, guys. We don't have time to waste, guys. Man, this is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Okay, let's check for crash 1000 as well. Crash 1000. Okay, you see at this point the crash 1000 has moved a long uptrend, so we don't take this trade. We don't take this trade. We don't take this trade, guys. Check on the crash 500. Yeah, look at it. Perfect one. It has crossed. You see that crash. This one is also a good one. Let's take it. Take it. You see, guys, this crash. Look at the crash, guys. This crash, I told you guys, is a late entry. Late entry, but it is going to come back upward, guys. It will come back upward, guys, because already it is in my region of buy, so I'm not afraid. But I should have entered earlier to take my profit and wait for the parabolic star to come up before I enter. All right, but I'm not afraid of this market. I'm not afraid, guys. Okay, this that's how it goes. That's how it goes, guys. Okay, now this is the PDK strategy, guy. If you share the video, click on the subscribe button, comment on the video, and stay tuned for our next video. This is a strategy I titled breaking limit, guys. It is breaking limit strategy. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram. Check on the video description. You can watch our other videos on the channel and get yourself equipped with good strategies to trade the market. All right, guys, until then, remain HumbleFx, and I hereby sign out, guys. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you very much, guys.